Murukul recipe.
One kilogram gram flour. 1 kilogram rice flour. 1 tsp of sesame oil. 2 tsps of red chili powder. 2 tsps of turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of iway carom seeds. Take an utensil and add rice, flour. Add besan. Add sesame seeds. Add carom seeds. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Mix well. Gradually add 1.5 liters of water. Mix well. Make soft batter. Batter is ready. Take Murukul maker. Fill maker with batter. Heat oil. Press gently and rotate. Fry on high flame. Fry until golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove in a plate. Repeat the process. Murukuls are done. Crispy and tasty Murukuls are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.